Hey guys, how's it going? So today we've sort of got a general compilation vlog going on. We've got some planting that we need to do as far as bug prevention stuff, because we are starting to see the official round of spring going into summer pests. So we'll be doing some of that. We have a few things that we need to pot up front here in our container garden. And then I grabbed the last 5 strawberries with those beautiful pink blooms. And we need to put those in the grow tower. We need to add some compost to things. So it's just gonna be a complete urban garden chore kind of a day. And I'm gonna bring you along for it. And I will be showing you some elderberry excitement. I'm so excited. I'm really hopeful that we're going to get our first round of American elderberry this year. All right, so we're going to go on ahead and start up front with the planting and get that completed, and then we will move into the back for the heavy stuff. This is just the warm-up round. All right, let's get going here, all right? All right, so we've gotten the front get stuff done. We're not moving very efficiently today, but oh well. And I ended up, I'm going ghetto, guys. I've got my cell phone here because I ran out of memory cards. So, it happens. It happens. All right. So, we have 5 more strawberry plants that need to go in the grow tower. We've got a lemon balm that needs to be planted. We also have more marigold that need to go in the grow towers for bug prevention. And I don't know where my mother went, but anyway, and then we do need to put some sunflower seeds into our sunflower bed. If we are not dead by then, we may try and get some sunflowers in the permaculture and maybe jab a few elderberry into that line that we need to shore up with something to lock the soil in so that it doesn't move. So, lots of little things that just need to be done that haven't been done because of rain. But otherwise, we're gonna go on ahead and get those going for you, okay? All right, here we go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you why we're doing this. So these are just marigolds, nothing fancy. You can get these at your local home improvement stores, big box stores. You can get them at garden centers. You can oftentimes find them at your local farmer's market. And I'm sure they would really appreciate the support. But planting these guys in at least the end of your bed, preferably at both ends, helps with bugs. So this is one of those interplanting techniques that you will hear about from a lot of organic gardeners, and marigolds are some of the best. So this year our plans for interplanting is marigold calendula, which is a type of marigold, but it's a medicinal variety. It's also good at keeping bugs away, and nasturtium. So these are just the 3 that we seem to be able to grow really well here and that we really enjoy growing. You can go on ahead and look up even on Google other plants to interplant with things to help with keeping the bugs away. Our main thing is we have squash bugs, Japanese beetles, slugs, and snails. Is that pretty much? Oh, we do tend to have some spider mites also that come around, but we don't seem to be having an issue with them this year. So we treated pretty heavily last year, so hopefully we've gotten their population not necessarily eliminated, but we've gotten it down to a more appropriate level. So we are just literally going to put this baby in our herb bed here. Not that our herb bed needs a whole lot of help, because most herbs actually will keep bugs away. Mints, lemon balm will keep bugs away. There are any that I'm missing? Rosemary is a good bug deterrent for like mosquitoes, gnats, that sort of thing. I think those are some of the main ones, but I'm going ahead and turn you around, get this guy planted, okay? Alright, so this came in a 6-pack, which is always nice. You can also find them sometimes in larger quantities. I'm just gonna make a hole here. Dig down. It's real simple. Kind of rough up the roots. Oh, she's got a nice earthwormy there that we want to keep. Okay, he goes in just like that. And there she goes. Now, The main reason that you want these in the bed, you don't just want to put them in a pot, you don't just want to put them, if you're doing cinder block, in a hole. Their roots need to be in the same soil as the plant that you are trying to protect, because that's where the natural antipesticide comes from, is from the root structure. So it's not just the flower. The flower up top will help, as I said, kind of keep certain other bugs away from you, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it will prevent any bugs from chewing on the plants. So you want to put it in the bed, same bed with the other plants. Okay, we are almost done. So I have some strawberries that I need to get into our green stock grow tower. And then, let's see, we need to plant citronella and the geranium up. So we've gotten quite a bit of odds and ends done today, guys. I'm really excited about that fact. The only bed that we haven't completed is this one with all of the carrots in it. But we've got everything top dressed right now. And then we've got marigold plants into one of the corners so we can start getting that good natural anti-pesticide down into the soil. I have 6 more in my greenhouse that we will be, sorry, all the kids are coming home. So we're gonna go on ahead and we're gonna get these strawberries, and these strawberries are some of this pink variety. I don't know if any of them, I did trim these. I showed this on Instagram and Getter, and I had trimmed off all of the flowers on the top 4 tiers, because supposedly if you do that, you're supposed to have higher yields and larger fruit. So we're doing an experiment. The top 4 have that done on this, but the bottom 3 do not. So I think these 5 that I have will mostly go up top, and then I've got some proven winners, a light pale pink coming in for the green stock. It should be really, really pretty too, on top of being edible. Be nice to those kids, they're our neighbors. So we're gonna go on ahead and we're going to get these planted up here real quick. Let me go on ahead and turn on the hyperlapse, because you guys know how to plant things, right? So we might as well just skip to the fun parts, right? Okay guys, so I'm gonna go on ahead and I'm gonna close out this video. I don't even know what to call it. It's one of the weirdest vlogs I think I've put together in a while. It is literally just a compilation of us doing a bunch of chores, I think. And you guys seeing it in hyperlapse. I'm so sorry about that. I hope the information about the marigold, though, nasturtium and calendula, was helpful. If you guys have any questions, and if I left anything off in an odd way that was confusing, please feel free to comment down below, let me know, and I'll clarify myself, hopefully. But guys, as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential, and I will see you on the next video. And yes, that other surprise in the 2 boxes is going to be its own video. We'll do a whole unboxing since we didn't get it done today, and get everything set up, and you'll be along for the ride on that one for sure. Okay, so I love you guys. Take care. Bye.